Our first niche is the unique and personalized. This book belongs to Planner. With an impressive niche score of 44, it's a clear indicator of high demand and less competition. There are only 252 total results, so you won't get lost in the sea of books. And guess what? The average BSR is 5 lakhs plus, which means your sales will be soaring. With 1,900 average reviews and an average price of $10.04, you're in for a profitable ride. Next up, we have the delightful Autumn Jar Coloring book. With an outstanding niche score of 48, you can be sure of high demand and low competition. Only 54 total results mean you'll stand out from the crowd. The average BSR is only 1 lakh, indicating a promising number of sales. Plus, 168 average reviews and an attractive price of $8.12 will keep your revenue flowing. Our third niche is a valuable resource, the ultimate ADHD Planner. With a solid niche score of 42, you'll find a substantial demand in this category. Though there are 587 total results, the average BSR is 20 lakhs. A single average review means there's a gap to fill, and with an average price of $11.42, you're on your way to success. Coming in at the fourth spot, we have the intriguing Genealogy Organizer book. With a niche score of 37, you have a great opportunity to cater to this niche demand. Yes, there are 6,100 plus total results, and the average BSR is 7 lakhs. 387 average reviews and an average price of $11.44 mean you can turn this niche into a profitable venture. Last but certainly not least, we have the empowering SelfDiscovery Journal for Women. Scoring an impressive 53, this niche is a gem in terms of high demand. With 2,400 plus total results, there's still plenty of space for your unique take. An average BSR of almost 4 lakhs ensures you'll be making those sales. And with a staggering 3,300 plus average reviews and an average price of $11.20, you can expect your revenue to skyrocket. And there you have it, the most profitable Amazon KDP self-publishing niches for 2023. These niches offer immense potential for more sales and revenue on KDP. Remember, the key is to choose the right niche that aligns with your passion and expertise. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive tips to boost your self-publishing journey. With the right niches, your books will shine bright on Amazon, and success will be within your grasp.